In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pre-order button on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a working pre-order option on a specific product, so customers can buy now and receive the item when it's available. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From there, head to your Apps area and choose the option to add a new app. When the prompt appears, click through to the Shopify App Store. This is where we'll find the tool that powers the pre-order button. In the App Store, use the search bar and start typing your query so the right result is highlighted. You're looking for Pre-order Now. When you see it in the results, click through to the app listing called WOD, Pre-order Now. This app is widely used for enabling a pre-order workflow without changing your theme manually. Next, click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to work correctly. Things like accessing products and adding a button to your storefront. Review the details and then confirm by clicking Install again. After installation completes, the app will open inside your admin so you can start configuring it. Inside the app, go to the Products section. Choose Add Product to specify which item should have the pre-order button. In this example, I'll pick Classic Long Sleeve. Select that product from the list, then click. Select to move into its pre-order setup. You'll see a product row or panel appear. Click the highlighted area to open its settings. Now, enable the pre-order option. This switch tells the app to replace the standard Add to Cart with a pre-order button on your store for this product or its selected variants. The great part is that the app handles the button text and the cart labeling, so customers clearly see they're placing a pre-order. Click back into the product if needed to confirm your choice, then save your changes. Saving publishes the pre-order configuration, so it's live on your storefront. At this point, the classic long sleeve product will show a pre-order button to shoppers. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Clearly communicate expected ship dates or availability in the product description, so customers know what to expect. If you offer multiple variants, double-check which ones are enabled for pre-order. Finally, place a test pre-order from your storefront to make sure the button, cart labeling, and checkout flow look exactly the way you want. That's it. Your Shopify store now has a working pre-order button on the selected product. Save your work.